Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Tab Preview in Google Chrome. This feature lets you see a quick visual preview of any tab when you hover over it, making it much easier to identify and switch between multiple open tabs without clicking through each one. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your Chrome experience. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option will open Chrome's full settings page where you can control everything from your privacy preferences to how your browser looks and behaves. The settings page gives you complete control over your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings page, take a look at the left side panel where you'll see different categories of settings. From this navigation menu, click on Appearance. This section is specifically dedicated to visual customization options that affect how Chrome looks and displays content, making it the perfect place to manage tab-related features. After clicking on Appearance, you'll need to scroll down through the available options until you find Tab Hover Preview Card. This might be located a bit further down the page depending on your Chrome version, so take your time scrolling through. This setting controls whether Chrome shows you visual previews when you hover over tabs at the top of your browser. Under the Tab Hover Preview Card section, you'll see an option labeled Show Tab Preview Images. This is the specific setting that enables the visual thumbnail previews of your tab content. When this feature is active, simply hovering your mouse over any tab will display a small preview image of what's on that page, making it incredibly easy to identify the tab you're looking for among dozens of open ones. Next to Show Tab Preview Images, you'll see a toggle button. Click on this toggle to turn the feature on. The toggle should switch from gray to blue, indicating that tab preview images are now enabled. This means that from now on, whenever you hover over a tab, Chrome will display a helpful preview card showing you what's on that page without requiring you to click on it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Tab Preview in Google Chrome, making tab management much more visual and efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.